I wish the course had live video, not just slideware.
I wish the instructors were the best experts in the world.
I wish this course was interactive.
I wish I could ask questions and get answers live.
I wish they offered hands-on labs that simulate my system.
I wish they could show a hardware teardown.
I wish the instructor would tailor the answers to me.
I wish this course could include a whiteboard talk.
I wish this course offered knowledge checks.
I wish this course helped me earn certification.
I wish the course...
Dell Technologies Education Services offers virtual instructor-led training learners can join from anywhere in the world. Dell customers love our virtual delivery, awarding a student satisfaction rating of 96%. Ask for details today, or as you wish.